I participated in Public Policy Day 2025 at the Washington D.C. Auto Show last week, and boy, was it a great experience. But having had a chance to catch up on my sleep a bit and reflect on the experience, I'd like to share what made it so great. This is the second year I've attended Public Policy Day, and the core of the event seems constant. Senators, representatives, and agency staffers, in short, policymakers, take the stage and speak about what has happened or may happen in the policy space that impacts the retail automobile industry. With a new administration in place, tariffs looming, and the Fifth Circuit overturning the cars rule just before the event, well, there was a lot to talk about. The audience included dealers, OEM reps, NADA personnel, and media. Lots and lots of media, most of whom seemed somewhat hostile to the car business. And that's where the magic actually happened. The car people who took the stage, including Ohio freshman senator and veteran car dealer Bernie Moreno, NADA Chairman Tom Castriota, Ascent Dealer Services Principal Adam Marburger, and even me, were able to tell our stories about the industry from a human perspective. Take Senator Moreno on the topic of tariffs. He said that in 1949, 6 of the 10 richest cities in the United States were in Ohio, and that was because of manufacturing in support of the auto industry. Today, he said, Ohio is lucky to have one city scratching the top 50 because all of those jobs are in Monterrey, Mexico. He took trade policy and made it personal. Bravo! Tom Castriota tied his career of service in the Marine Corps into how he serves his employees, customers, and community through how he operates Castriota Chevrolet in Hudson, Florida. Even gave me a nice challenge coin. The event had extra energy this year with the addition of ASOTU's podcast stage out front, where main stage speakers could follow up with more stories in a less formal setting. A big shout out to Adam Marburger for sponsoring that piece. It was awesome. The point is, Public Policy Day gave us a chance to tell our stories, which can impact how the industry is covered and in turn impact policy. If you can make it to Washington, D.C. for Public Policy Day next January, make the trip. You'll be glad you did. For Drop the Bow Tie, I'm Jim Ganther. Thanks for watching.